Good evening, good morning from where you're watching. Today, I just want to share with you a little project that is going on. This is sugarcane planting. And as we all know, this economy, requires people to go an extra mile so that they are able to financially, be where they desire to be. So that's the land before it was made. And over here, the seedlings have arrived. Yeah, they have arrived and they are being prepared so that they are put in the soil when the furrows are made ready. I must say, putting the seedlings on the ground requires tact and wisdom. Initially, as someone who is starting out in this farming thing, I thought that, you don't need even much knowledge to do these things. As long as you've tilled your ground so well and you have your seedlings there with you, you can just put them the way you want at the time you want, and voila, they will bear fruits. But having done this for, so many years, I know that you need more than just putting the seedlings on the ground for you to be a successful farmer. You need to know the market, you need to know the seasons, you need to know the type of soil that you are planting on and what kind of crops can do well in that particular region or with that particular soil. You need to know the nutritional value of the soil and what you can do to add so that you have a bountiful harvest. Most homeschooling curriculums require the children at some point to learn about entrepreneurship, and they will be tasked into coming up with ideas or projects by which they can generate money. And of all the many projects that they can do, farming is one of the most reliable ones that can actually generate income, and it's doable.